private and quiet. This 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-car garage home in Waterton is on a large lot and is perfect for the growing family or if you need room to spread out. Pretty arched doorways throughout. With over 2,500 square feet, this home is spacious and roomy with an open floor plan that works well for everyday living or entertaining. The kitchen is equipped with an island, pantry, breakfast bar, and tons of cabinetry. The fireplace with gas starter in the adjacent den provides a cozy retreat. The split master with ensuite bath is appointed with double sinks, oversized tub/shower combo and generous walk-in closet. The guest area consists of the 3 additional bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a second living area perfect for family or guests, plus a formal dining room that could easily be an office. Outside, enjoy the producing peach and pear trees as well as the covered back porch with extended patio. The insulated shop with window unit, electricity, and cable is perfect for a mancave or she shed. And an additional storage building too. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.